Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for this presentation on processing of data, part 2, that is editing. It is based on the accepted curriculum of all universities on this subject. Contents of the presentations are meaning of editing, what are the different types of editing, 5 benefits of editing, types of editing, and editing step checkup. Editing, the meaning goes as the next step in the processing of the data is editing of the data instruments. It is a process of checking to detect and correct errors and omissions. Editing happens at 2 stages, one at the time of recording the data and second at the time of analysis of the data. The purpose is to control the quality of the collected data. Data editing can be performed manually with the assistance of a computer or a combination of both. Different types of editing goes as developmental editing. You can otherwise call it as conceptual editing or manuscript appraisal. Evaluation editing, it is also called as a structural editing. Content editing, it is also called as a substantive editing or full editing. Line editing, it is stylistic editing or comprehensive editing, and copy editing and proofreading. Benefits of following editing is that ensures your own written message matches what you were trying to say, helps to condense and improve the efficiency of your writing, questions your flow of thoughts, ensuring there is a good logic. It tells you if your content is too technical or if it doesn't make sense, at least to the general public. It is very easy to get into the weeds about a topic you are very knowledgeable about. Ask questions or presents an alternative perspective that you might not have considered. In the case of a blog, this feedback might be an excellent follow-up for a new post. Types of editing. Developmental editing, it is also called as the conceptual editing or manuscript editing. Are you leaving out any key details or is there any relevant material that needs to be cut? Evaluation editing, otherwise called as manuscript critic or structural editing. It is an evaluation edit is a safeguard that keeps you from paying for later stage edits. It goes as content editing, otherwise called as the substantive editing or full editing. In addition to evaluating the structure of your book, a content editor reads and carefully edits the manuscript with an eye on the completeness, flow, and construction of ideas and stories, working paragraph by paragraph and chapter by chapter. Line editing, point out run-on sentences, sentence fragments, and glitches. They help you clarify meaning, eliminate jargon, and ensure that each sentence sounds right in the reader's mind. Copy editing, right or no matter how confident you are that your manuscript is mistake-free, there are mistakes in there. Proofreading, although the terms copy editing and proofreading are often used interchangeably, they describe different processes that benefit your book in unique ways. Editing step checks for the completeness, accuracy, and uniformity of the data set created by the researcher. Completeness, it goes with the first step of editing is to check whether there is an answer to all the questions, variables set out in the data set. If the information is vital and has been found to be incomplete, then the researcher can take the step of contacting the respondent personally again and solicit the requisite data again. Accuracy goes with, apart from checking for omissions, accuracy of each recorded answer should be checked. A random check process can be applied to trace the errors at this step. Consistency in response can also be checked at this step. Cross verification to a few related responses would help in checking for consistency in responses. Uniformity, In editing data sets, another keen lookout should be for any lack of uniformity in interpretation of questions and instructions by the data recorders. The final point in the editing of data sets is to maintain a log of all corrections that have been carried out at this stage. The documentation of these corrections help the researcher to retain the original data set. Thank you. We would meet in the next presentation.